Paulian. Ladies and gentlemen, so let's now move to the official part of today's ceremony. Today we will hand over the awards in 12 categories. The first awards category that we'll present is the Research Award. After that, we'll hand over the individual awards, and we will finalize today's ceremony with the Project Excellence Awards. Let's start with the Research Awards, and you see this beautiful statuette that will be handed over to those who are winning in this category. This year, IPMA received the record number of applications, and it is already a second year in a row. So we really like this trend. Please keep it up. The project management research field is growing. That's why the finalists and the winners, in fact, were announced at the annual research conference in September. However, as we are part of the big family of IPMA Global Awards, we feel that it's the best way to showcase the winners today as well. So please let me introduce them to you. This year, the Research Award judges have selected 4 outstanding contributions in 2 IPMA Global Research Award categories of the Research Award and the Young Researcher Award. And they are Professor Gilbert Silvius from the Netherlands with his research, The Human Factor in Sustainable Project Management. Professor Dr. Mario Van Hokke from Belgium with his research Data-Driven Project Management. Dr. Leandro Bolzan Girezengi from Brazil with his research The Main Project Complexity Factors Affecting Brazilian Defense Projects and the Competencies and Strategies Used to Manage Them. Dr. Johan Ninan from India with his research External Stakeholder Management Strategies for Infrastructure Mega Projects and Organizational Power Perspective. Let's see their names once again. Let's cherish this moment and let's congratulate the winners. Congratulations, gentlemen, from Warsaw as well. In the Young Researcher Awards category, the judges panel selected 2 winners. To make us feel like we are really meeting in person, we will show also short films recorded by our winners, and they will be shown after each of the announcements. So we hope that those personal messages will really make us feel we are in one big room as we always used to be. The winners are Dr. Roya Derashan from Iran with her research project Opening the Black Box of Local Communities, Exploring Their Perception and Judgment.
I'm Roya Derashan from Istanbul Konya School of Management. I'm very pleased to receive the prestigious award from IPMA. I'm sure that being a holder will put me in contact with a lot of practitioners and academics. I would like to show my gratitude to Erasmus Mundus Doctoral Program EDIM as the founder of my PhD, also Polytechnic Universities of Milan and Madrid, the two institutes in which I conducted my research. Thank you.
The second winner in the Young Researcher Award is Dr. Diletta Invernizzi from Italy with her project titled Benchmarking Nuclear Decommissioning.
It's a great honor and a great pleasure to have received the IPMA Global Research Award 2020. In this short video, I'd like to thank my PhD supervisors, Professor Giorgio Locatelli, Professor Naomi Brooks, and Professor Bruce Henson for all the support received throughout my PhD. I would also like to thank Martin Gray from the Nuclear Decommissioning Authority and Lorraine McDermott from the National Nuclear Laboratory for all the support received as industrial supervisors. I would also like to thank all the reviewers that provided anonymous constructive criticism during the publication process and that helped me improve the quality of any of my publications. Thank you so much and good luck to any PhD colleague out there.
Let's see their names once again. And let's virtually congratulate the ladies, the Young Researcher Award winners of 2020.
Welcome to the 32nd IPMA World Congress in Russia, Project Management in Era of Digitalization. 900 participants, 73 countries, 3 days. 22nd, 24th of September in St. Petersburg, the biggest project management event. 5 streams: project management perspective, practice, people, methodology, agility. St. Petersburg is one of the most modern cities of Russia, as well as its cultural capital. The historic center of St. Petersburg and related groups of monuments constituted as UNESCO World Heritage Site. St. Petersburg is spread across more than 40 islands over Neva River. In the city, there are many rivers and canals and 342 bridges. This has earned the city unsurprising comparisons to Venice, but the similarities don't stop here. Walking around the historic center will reveal canals lined by Italianate mansions and broken up by striking squares adorned with Baroque and neoclassical palaces. St. Petersburg is an almost unrivaled treasure trove of art and culture. The Hermitage, the Russian Museum, world-class ballet, opera, and classical concerts at the illustrious performance halls. St. Petersburg, an important cultural and financial center in Russia and one of the most picturesque cities in the world. Welcome to the 32nd IPMA World Congress in Russia, Project Management in Era of Digitalization.